So we had our first product spotlight on Sunday that a lot of you guys watched live, and one of the things that you guys asked for was to see more chassis install videos. So let's go. So I'm just gonna start from the very back. First things first, I'm going to install this logo. So we have our hardware. So I've already installed one of our Firestone bags. These are going to be for the rear. We've got our hardware here. So obviously we're gonna line up here. These are gonna be for our top airbags. These are also going to be what secures the other portion of that accent plate. All right, so that is the basics of our accent plating. Now I think I'm gonna move from the rear to the front. Okay, so now you have your Watts-Link swivel there. This is then going to connect to all of your axle housing with your other mount bar. So, all right, let's tighten these down.
Get back on the camera?
No, it's fine. Let's get the delivery from Napa and then we will
continue.
Yeah. Hi. Never fucking mind. On to the 4-link. Okay. Try and get you guys a different angle so you can see this a little bit better. We did grease those ones, looks like. So now these can be here and here. And then we will use those to mount our axles, which they're gonna help me with because there's no way that I can do that by myself. So. Three people, guys, but we got it. Just doing a little bicep curl, guys. No big deal.
Okay. Kids.
You probably needed that unscrewed, huh?
I need the bolts for that saw gun too. Okay.
See, guys, definitely not a one-person job. At least not this part. Too bad I wasn't wearing short sleeves, show my muscles. Yeah. Any day now, Trev.
Hey now.
Any day now.
The witness relocation day.
Do. About to play the Jeopardy music.
Is it heavy yet?
Yeah, but I think Moises is doing most of it actually. Maybe not. Oh, no, I got it. I work out.
Oh.
This seems a little backwards.
A little backwards.
Just kidding. Is it tight enough?
Yeah.
Good? Okay.
Okay, now.
All right, guys. That was probably, this part is probably the most extensive part that requires a couple of us. As you can see, obviously this housing is not just some light little thing. So, and it's kind of a 3-in-1 thing. They all three work together. So you've got your Watts-Link mount bar and then your billet Watts-Link, which all connects with your housing and your axle brackets. So that one does take a little bit of time and manpower. So on to the next thing. The other thing that we will put on here in a second is our shocks. So we wanted to get our bar down here because we have a super shock bolt that is going to connect your shocks to everything with your 4-link and make all of that operate smoothly. So we'll head up towards the front a little bit and get to work on that next.
Wow, look at you hustling.
What?
Oh, you can keep it. I'm just listening to Jelly Roll.
Oh, okay.
Look at this.
What? Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
What's that for? What's the...
It's a little exhaust hanger, like hanger. So you can
They go to your frame and yeah, it's
weld
sweet.
it to the chassis.
Nice. Cool.
You working over here?
What?
You're working?
The people wanted to see a chassis video, so I'm putting a chassis together.
Nice.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
Trevor's
Oh,
overseeing
hold on.
now.
Oh, Chandler's friends need to stay the night.
Live reaction of her not accepting that. No.
Live
Okay,
reaction.
which one?
I have no idea. I don't know this kid.
Oh, okay. I love it when strangers stay the night. Sounds
You're gonna
like.
have so many bloopers in these reels too.
Okay, guys. So back to business while I sit here and knock myself out repeatedly from this inner frame stiffener. I'm gonna get the carrier bearing cross member put in. I'm kind of setting up my bolts here. These do have shims, but we made them drop in, which is pretty dope. And
Can I be your beautiful assistant?
Hi, assistant. Thank you.
The only thing I'll say is you did.
What?
We got to take those washers out right there.
Oh, okay.
I mean, you can do what you want, but.
We're gonna do what Anthony says. That works out better for everybody. You're standing right in the camera.
Sorry, I don't have a camera assistant. Now, you drop your
Drop your shins in.
shimmer in like that.
Perfect. And now we can tighten.
Tighten it.
I'm gonna stand up for this part.
Dang, you're gonna be dirty too.
Siri said it's a loud environment. So.
Yeah, she don't get much tighter than that.
Okay, so that one is our carrier bearing cross member. I have been laughed at because I am not afraid of a challenge of the front. They say, oh, it's hard, but it has to be done. So I'm gonna just do it and not whine. Shim it, baby.
So you put the shims. Good deal.
All right. So, get out of the way here. You've got your
Yeah.
carrier bearing, transmission, inner frame stiffener. So
Yep.
we have successfully made our way from the rear to the middle section, and what we will finish up next is going to be everything in the front. So all of our upper and lower control arms, spindles, rack and pinion, front airbags, motor mounts, all the other fun stuff. So that's a little bit. We made it pretty far in this
Ready for
afternoon. So he's ready for dinner. We're gonna call that a wrap on this part so far today, and we'll finish it up Monday morning. So have a good weekend, guys.